Imagine a world where everything that lives, from tiny single cells to giant whales, is connected in a web of life. This is the exciting world of biology. Biology is the study of life. It explains cells, species, and ecosystems. Biology is the study of life and living organisms. Understanding biology helps us in many ways, from curing diseases with medical breakthroughs to protecting our planet through conservation. Biology is key to improving life on Earth. Biology covers many areas. Cellular biology studies cells, the building blocks of life. Genetics looks at how traits are passed from parents to offspring. Evolution explains how species change over time, and ecology examines how organisms interact with their environments. In the future, biology will continue to help us tackle big challenges like climate change and pandemics. New discoveries in biology could lead to cleaner energy, better healthcare, and more sustainable ways to live. So next time you look around at nature or think about your own body, remember, biology connects it all. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of life.